残基山维新社教 Xinfa Branch Temple in the southernmost region of Taiwan held a seminar on feng shui and mental health to promote the teachings of易经风水. In September and October, lecturer Yuan Ban conducted a seminar in different communities in Chaozhou and Pingtung, as well as shared the practical knowledge of Yi Jing life that can be applied to ancient wisdom in daily life, empowering people's life filled with light and wisdom. With the mayor's support, lecturer Yuan Ban organized the feng shui and mental health seminars in communities such as An Road, Longdong, and Fengwei, with a focus on the healthy effects of Yi Jing feng shui. These seminars aimed to shed light on how Yi Jing feng shui influences well-being, underlying the potential for incorrect feng shui to cause unexplained discomfort and health problems. The objective was to encourage community members to tune into Weixin TV programs, facilitating the spread of Weixin Wondrous Dharma teachings for greater peace and well-being in every home. The Xinfa Branch Temple welcomes more community members to join our ongoing Yi Jing and Feng Shui class, Xinfa Branch Temple Fundamental Class 3. Weixin Report, Xinfa Branch Temple.